Meaning of enraptured.
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 Enraptured. Enraptured means to be filled with great pleasure, happiness, or admiration. When someone is enraptured, they are captivated by something that brings them intense joy or emotion. They might feel completely taken over by their feelings, unable to think about anything else. Their physical and emotional responses might include wide eyes, an open mouth, and elevated heart rate. Being enraptured can leave a lasting impression and result in a feeling of deep fulfillment or contentment. Overall, it is a state of complete and utter absorption in something truly beautiful or awe-inspiring.